Let's learn how to increase FPS in Mobile Legend. First, let's open Mobile Legend game on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. When you do that, go to click on little gear icon in top right corner of the screen. After that, you are come on settings menu and there is a few different ways to increase your FPS in Mobile Legend. The first one is to enable high frame rate mode. Mobile Legend game recommended to you to set high frame rate to the high, but if you have good phone, you can set it to super. The second thing is that to the set to lower graphics quality, set graphic to the smooth or medium instead of high and ultra. Next thing is that to turn off extra effects, go to disable shadows, then go to disable character outline and disable optimize HD mode. Next one is that to make sure when you are in the game to turn off battery saver mode. Another thing is that to use game turbo or game booster mode. In my case that is a game turbo, and when you open it, go to click on boost to have better performance on game. And the last thing is that to make sure you have a stable internet connection. And that's it. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.